Okay, we gotta get outside ASAP here. It is windy and there's a line of precip to our north coming down this way. I don't know if it'll do anything, but it's worth getting our asses outside for. Anyways. Oh yeah, so periods of rain and flurries today. Well, it's still windy, but wind south 40 gusting to 70. Diminishing to 20, 40 gusting to 40 this morning, then becoming light this afternoon with temps falling to +3 this afternoon. 70% chance of flurries or rain showers this evening and after midnight. And then we get on a little dry spurt here. Stays on the colder side. And then Saturday night we got snow. Yeah. As you can see here, nice little line of precip trying to push its way down. I don't think it'll really do anything, but yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys outside here in just a moment. This is how things are here, temperature wise. It's actually quite warm. 6.3. Yeah. It's quite dry though. Oh jeez. Yep. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys now outside in just a bit here. Fuck is this? Been tossed around here. I missed it. Cocksucker. Cocksucker. Missed it. By what, a couple hours? Weak sauce, man. Weak sauce. Huh. Makes me think when the fuck this started up. About 0.1 inches, 2.5 millimeters of rain. Not too bad. Well, it is all bad. It's just me. Chunks of mud stuck to it. Lovely. It's easy random. Crap. Shit, sorry. Oh shit. Oh, never mind. I thought the shit was dead. Look at fucking this. Holy crap. Alrighty. Alrighty then. That was at least, well, at 2 meters high, that was probably at least 60, 70K there, easy. At the surface, it was erratic, so there wasn't really a solid wind speed to go off of there. Holy crap. I got maximum 22. That did not sound like a 22 gust, let me tell you. What is the temperature actually as well? 6.9. It's actually close to what's actually being shown by the weather station. That's how mixed the air is actually. It's hard to actually figure out where to stand. These winds come in such random, so erratically. I'm gonna stand closely. Probably something to do with how high I have it as well. But if I put it higher up, I want to keep that case in my pocket though, because it just flies around. Alright, so it is still windy. Still fairly windy. It's just maybe less consistent, question mark? Maximum from that, still, what? That's so bullshit. God, it's getting cold though. Look to our north here while we're in the intermission here with the wind. Gotta check the time, 7:57. Let's see. I come from behind. I'm watching this thing behind me. It's despite the temperature, the upper air is so much colder right now. So I'm curious what it's gonna do. If it's gonna do like some serious ice pellets or something. What? Sleets, ice pellets, whatever. Soft hail. I call that ice pellets. Pretty sure it's not the technical term for it, but yeah. You really see a distinctive line on this. It's right there. Will it make it here? Nah, not likely. It'll probably break up before it makes its way here. And even then, if it does, it'll probably be nothing by the time it gets here. Yeah. Huh. You wanna know when I woke up? 4 a.m. Nothing was happening. So, just decided to call it a night, you know? Like any other normal person would. But, let my guard down, and look what happens. Between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m., conveniently 4 a.m., 76 km/h wind gusts. Maximum 76 km/h wind gusts recorded. For fuck's sake, man. Absolute cock-sucking bullshit. These are the nights where I should just stay the fuck up as long as possible. Or you know what? I should have just went to bed at 2 or 1:32 and then just fucking woke up at 5 a.m. and stayed up the rest of the night. Fuck's sake. I'll see you guys back outside later on. Son of a bitch. This is what we're dealing with on the radar here. This pushing down, or trying to anyways. Despite temperatures, almost got 40 dBs of snowfall. Which is pretty intense. It's trying to transition its way down. It's making its way down into our area, but I think our best bet is it's going to be ice pellets or just rain, one or the other, depending on how cold it is in the upper levels. Depending how the thermals are. Because of how convective this is, it may be ice pellets, but we'll see. I'll see you guys back outside later on today. Still windy as all hell. As per usual, bunch of twigs and shit all along here. I'll be checking out the park area later today, and a little bit at you once I get home. See where everything is. Alright, here's the radar. We're gonna go head out, see how the park is. I'm gonna go check it out. If it's nothing, it's nothing. I won't show you guys it, but if it's something, I'll show you. But most of the rain is gone. Special weather statement has ended. Yeah. We'll see you guys later on. I can't quite honestly tell when this was. But just based off, look how fresh that looks. This has to have been from today. Look at the state of this. This looks fresh. I can tell because of how it's splintered. What's giving me that confidence is how white that is. If it was any older, it'd be like fucking dark. It would be like a more brownish shade. Now that one, I don't know. Luckily, because the time of day it is, I can just walk around here. This one looks similarly fresh. Yeah, look. So it's fairly dry too. Feels fairly dry. It would have probably lost all of its leaves. Whoa. Jesus. I don't know. It's interesting. Can't confirm. But with how windy it was today, in the morning, I would not have been surprised. What I'm trying to figure out here is, where did it come from? Obviously it was higher up, but where? One way or another though. Either it was from the snow, which is more doubtful, or it was the wind, but I don't know where it would have fallen from. I can't see anything higher up. Oh, there we go. Boom. Right here. Oh yeah, that's fresh as fuck. 100% we got, so it's 100% from today, 100%. It's the way it is. It's the way it's fallen and all that. It has to have been from the wind. Yeah, so I think this was from the wind, yeah. So I must have missed quite the windstorm then. Would make logical sense. Usually our bins only get knocked down if they're like fucking 70k plus. Because the way they're positioned. Unless it's a really strong windy day, it doesn't ever fall over. But yeah. Wow. Quite the scenes. I'm gonna go check more out, see what else I can find. This is already a pretty solid find. I think this is certainly one of the largest things I've come across that's broken. Besides that one tree, but that was even deader than this. I'm gonna go bike around more, see what else I can find. Very cool find. Taking a 30-second break just to look at this. Oh my god, this would look so much better if it was white. But this will do. Alright. Well, that's it. That's gonna be our last weather event for a good little while here, the next few days. And maybe some snow coming in later this week. But even then, still probably won't bring enough for snowpack back. But mind you, mark it on the calendars. January 20th to 27th, I believe. Or 21st to the 27th. Sorry. Mark that on the calendar. It's looking very, very hopeful. I think we could snatch a few good snowstorms out of it, good Arctic outbreaks. Something more typical of a La Nina rather than something out of fucking El Nino, sorry. But yeah, I will leave you guys with that. See you guys with the 4 o'clock. Probably with a 4 o'clock update later on. That's how warm it's been. There's fucking garlic growing. What the fuck? That's how warm it's been, FYI. There's garlic fucking growing. And that's how warm it's been. I'll see you guys later on today. Oil weight handed off. Whoa. Holy crapola. It's starting to get windy out of the north again. Well, not again, but you know what I mean. Get windy again. But look at the state of this. It's not as, well, I mean, It's still nice over here, but it's not as like this. Not as good as this. Although it looks like some kind of like outflow stuff from this is coming in from the north. I didn't know it was this good looking. I'm gonna go get my camera real quick here. Other camera. All day it's just been skimming across along here. It's just so annoying. It's 100% snowing for me. 100%. The thermals are fucking cold as shit right now. You know, to our northwest it was 5 degrees and fucking snowing, so and it's even colder here, so you would highly expect thermals well cold enough for snow. You would expect these thermals are well more than cold enough for snow. I was wondering what the hell it was doing. I thought it was raining for a second, but actually it's doing some weird ice pellet-ish rain mixed in thing. I have no clue what it is. Here. Interesting. It's like it almost looks like actual hail. It's because of the look of it. It just makes it. It just looks so much. If you listen. I don't know if it's just me or they're getting bigger. Oh shit, they are. Something's happening. I was about to say, look at this. We're getting soft hail. Or ice pellets. It's an interesting wintry precip. It's like all the odd precip types in one. Always fun. Probably missed the bulk of it though. Not like it matters though, it doesn't look like it was too much anyways. Yeah, I'm going to head in. If it stayed. Here's the forecast here. So 6% chance of showers or flurries early this evening, then clearing this evening, with fog patches developing overnight. Tomorrow, a little dry, and then Thursday night we got 40% chance of flurries before morning, -4 with a wind chill near -8, pretty cold. And then Friday, 40% chance of flurries, pretty cold Friday night to Saturday, where Saturday night we get periods of snow, and then Sunday snow or rain. More than likely snow, but depends on the intensity and how long it lasts. Depending on the time, well, if it's going to start at night, I highly expect there'll be snow through Sunday. But like I said, it all depends on the intensity as well, and if it does break up or not. If it does take breaks in between. Then that provides the potential to switch over. And then the radar, to finish her off here. It will be on the rain one here because, yeah. Just covering the light. Yeah. Much of the rain has moved out now. Well, precip has moved out now. I will leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning to end the video off. Yeah. Here's the temperature here. Pretty high pressure as well. Like I've said before, our pressure is typically 965. That's actually our elevation. 965, so 23, so yeah, and then typical sea level, mean sea level is 1013, so add 23 to that, that's 1036 millibars. Pretty solid ridge of high pressure. I will show you guys the forecast, taking the video off. Alright, here's the forecast and the video off here. So, today will be nice, and then tonight we got a 30% chance of flurries before morning, and tomorrow 30% chance of flurries early in the morning. And then it dries up for Friday night, Saturday, and then Saturday night we got a 6% chance of flurries, changing to periods of snow for Sunday. Not too shabby. Stays relatively around seasonal to above seasonal. Yeah. And then we'll show the weather network here in just a second. Yep. It's the Bitwise show. Very quite cold. I mean, not too snowy, but cold. Well, to start anyways. It won't be too snowy. But once we head into the later, like the last several days of January and the start of February, it's going to get quite snowy. But yeah, I'll end the video off here. See you guys in the next video. Sorry. Peace.